Standard 9th History, Lesson number 4, Economic Development. Children, today I am going to give you all the textual question answer markings of this lesson. So open your textbooks to page number 22. We'll see the exercise questions. Question number 1A. Choose the right option and write the sentence. We'll see the first one. On 19th July 1969, dash major banks in India were nationalized. The answer to this is 14. So 14 banks were nationalized. Dash declared the 20-point program. The answer to this is Indira Gandhi declared the 20-point program. Now we'll go to the B1, 1B. Identify the wrong pair. Okay, identify the wrong pair. Now your 4 pairs are given to us. The first pair is the wrong one. Kavsaji Davar, iron and steel industry. This is a wrong pair. Next, question number 2A. Complete the following chart. Now if you look at this chart, children, I have written down the answers here in red ink. The 5-year plan. Okay, where's the dash? The dash is for the duration. So the first 5-year plan. Okay, so the duration for this plan is from 1951 to 1956. Next dash over here, it is for the third 5-year plan. So when did the third 5-year plan begin? It started from 1961. It was to 1966. From 1961 to 1966. Then the third dash is over here. From 1969 to 1974. Which plan they had? They had the fourth 5-year plan. Then the next one, the fourth dash is here on the last line. The fifth 5-year plan, when did it start? In the year 1974 to 1979. And the last dash is in purpose. So the fifth 5-year plan, what was the purpose of the fifth 5-year plan? The purpose was employment. And the second purpose was education. There are some 4-5 more purposes are there, but I have mentioned only 2 for your employment and education. Next, question number 2B. Explain the concepts. We'll see the first one, mixed economy. The answer to this question is on page number 15. So let us go to page number 15. Here, 2B1. So there's an introduction and then there are 3 main points. So which is the introduction? Can you see over here I've written intro, INTRO. So that line is your introduction. In order to achieve economic development of modern India, we gave preference to a model of mixed economy. This is which paragraph, you know, children? It's on page number 15, left hand side. It is the first, second, third paragraph. Third paragraph, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth line. Third paragraph, 6th line. At the end of the line is your introduction. Okay. In order to achieve economic development of modern India, we gave preference to a model of mixed economy. Continuation of that. We can see 3 parts in this kind of economy. Okay. So this is the first main point, main sub point of your answer. Public sector. Okay. First one. So I've written number 1 over here. The industries in this sector are completely under the control and management of the government. For example, production of defense equipment. Second sub point, private sector. In that you're going to write, the industries in this sector are owned by private industrialists. Of course, the government supervises and controls them too. For example, consumer goods. Then the third and the last sub point, joint sector. In that sub point you're going to write, in this sector some industries are owned by private industrialists while some are run under government management. So this is answer 2B1. So you'll have your introduction which comprises of 2 points and there are 3 main sub points, that is the public sector, private sector and joint sector. And within these 3 main sub points you're going to write this entire, all these 3 paragraphs that I have marked. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question, that is 2B2. Question number 2B, second one. The 20-point program. The answer to this question is on page number 19. So let us see page number 19 over here. Left hand side, first paragraph, 20-point program. It is highlighted in blue over here already. Highlighted in blue. Okay. First paragraph. Now your first two lines, this paragraph is an introduction. Can you see intro I've written over here? Intro. Okay. So this is your introduction. I'll just read the introduction for you. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi announced the 20-point program on 1st July 1975. Okay. And resolved to make efforts towards rapidly becoming a developed nation. The main provisions of the 20-point program are as follows. So both these statements were your introduction. Now your answer is these 5 points. Okay. The first point, land ceiling for cities and agricultural land, equal division of wealth, minimum wages for workers, increase in water conservation schemes. That's your first point. Second point, workers' participation in industry, national training scheme, train bonded labor. Third point, prevention of tax evasion, economic crimes and smuggling. Fourth point, regulation of prices of basic necessities, improvements in the public distribution system, PDS. And the fifth and the last point, improvement in the textile industry by developing handloom sector, waiving loans for weaker sections, housing communication facilities, making educational equipment available to schools. Till here, this answer comprises of 5 points. That is answer 2B2. Now we'll go to the next question, children. Next sub question. We finished with 2B. Okay. Question number 3A. Give reasons. We'll see the first give reason. Independent India opted for a mixed economy. The answer to this give reason is on page number 15. Let us see page number 15. Here, left hand side. Okay, 3A1. Okay, so this 3A1, it comprises of 7 points. So it is to the left hand side, second paragraph. It's highlighted in blue already. Mixed economy. And in that paragraph, you're going to see the fourth line. Okay, that's your first point. Our Prime Minister Pandit Nehru adopted the middle path rather than taking recourse to any extremes. Second point, some countries had adopted capitalism while some had adopted socialism. Third, each type of economy had its own advantages. Fourth, in a capitalist system, the means of production are privately owned. Fifth, in a socialist economy, the means of production are owned by the state in the name of the society. Sixth, a mixed economy works both in the private as well as the public sector. Seventh and the last point, in order to achieve economic development of modern India, we gave preference to the model of mixed economy. Till here, answer 3A, the first one, it comprises of 7 points. Let us see the second give reason. 3A2. Banks were nationalized in 1969. Banks were nationalized in 1969. The answer to this question is on page number 18. Let us see page number 18. Here. Right hand side. Second paragraph. Page 18. Right hand side. Second paragraph. It's highlighted in pink over here. Nationalization of banks. Okay. Nationalization of banks. In that, see the first line. That is your first point. During the tenure of Prime Ministers Pandit Nehru and Lal Bahadur Shastri, banking was a monopoly of the private sector. Second point, the directors of these banks were working towards developing industrial sector and increasing its profits. Third point, in order to stop this, the government nationalized the, and after the you are going to write banks. Okay. In order to stop this, the government nationalized the banks. Next, fourth point is the next paragraph, background of nationalism. In that para, see the first line, that is point number 4. India has adopted a mixed economy after independence. Fifth point, Nationalization of banks was essential to cover the deficits if they occurred while implementing different schemes. Sixth point, also the profits of these banks. Now children, turn the page. Go to page number 19, left hand side. Continuation of which point? Point number 6. Also the profits of these banks, left hand side, first line, would come into the government treasury once they were nationalized. So these are 6 points. And your 7th point is go back to page number 18. See in the box, right hand side box. Do you know? That is your last point. Okay, it is in the box, blue color box, first line. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. So before Prime Minister, please write thus. Always you end or give reason with thus. Yes or no? So that's point number 7. Thus, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi nationalized 14 banks on 19th July 1969. Till here. So this answer 3A2, it comprises of 7 points. Now we'll see the next question. 3A3. Mill workers went on strike. The answer to this question is on page number 19. Page number 19, right hand side, last paragraph, just below the blue box. Last paragraph, first line, that is your first point. Okay. In the Diwali of 1981, the workers expected to get a bonus of 20%. Second point, the Rashtriya Mill Mazdoor Sangh, which was negotiating with the employers, agreed upon 8 to 17% bonus without taking the workers into confidence. Third point, the cut in the bonus proved to be the cause of unrest. Fourth, some workers went to Dr. Datta Samant, cancelled day in place of day right and asked him to accept their leadership. Fifth point, workers of 65 mills came together and Dr. Datta Samant led the strike. Sixth and the last point, on 18 January 1982, 2.5 lakh workers went on strike. Till here. So this is answer 3A, third one, which comprises of 6 points. So that was your third give reason. Now we'll see the next one. Question number 4. No, sorry, not question number 4. Question number 3B. Okay, 3B. Answer the following questions in 25 to 30 words. We'll see the first one, 3B1. Which programs were started in the 8th 5-year plan? The answer to this question is on page number 18. Let us go to page number 18. Here. The 8th 5-year plan. Left hand side, page number 18, left hand side. First paragraph, it's highlighted in blue over here. 8th 5-year plan. In that para, see the 8th 5-year plan. In that, see the third paragraph. The following programs were started during this plan. Which are those? The first one, Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana. Second one, Mahila Samriddhi Yojana. Third, Rashtriya Samajik Arthik Sahaya Yojana. Fourth, Midday Meal Scheme. Fifth, Indira Mahila Scheme. And the sixth and the last one, Ganga Kalyan Scheme. So, answer 3B1, it comprises of 6 points. Now we'll see the last question. 3B2, the second one. Which projects were started in the second 5-year plan? Second 5-year plan. The answer to this is on page number 16. Here. Second 5-year plan. Right hand side, page number 16. Second paragraph. Second 5-year plan. Okay. So this plan has an introduction. This answer has an introduction. 1-line introduction. I've written your intro. This plan had ambitious goals of industrialization. That's your introductory statement. Then your first point, iron and steel industries at Durgapur, Bhilai and Rourkela. Second, chemical fertilizers plant at Sindri. Third, rail engine factory at Chittaranjan. Fourth, factory of railway bogies at Perambur. Fifth, shipbuilding factory at Vishakhapatnam. Sixth one, Heavy industries were set up in the public sector. Seventh and the last one, huge dams like the Bhakra Nangal, Damodar, etc. were built to make water available for agriculture. Till here, 7 points. That is answer 3B2. Comprises of 7 points. So children, I have completed giving you all the markings of the exercise question answers of lesson number 4. I want you all to write these questions in your English notebook. Thank you, boys.